hard, I push the.
Yo, Ashline, back into the vlog.
I got dash. I won't wait to the bag, boy. You know I push the gas.
Okay.
Okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital. Gas residual. Fire and smoke like I'm eating a ritual. You bet my cash is on. I hit the gas, I'm gone. Running my wave. I'm in this.
Oh, GTA. Stay safe, my child. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, as always, you know my name is Chris. We're building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast and we have a good time. If that is something that interests you, go down there and hit that subscribe button and join us because, bro, we hit 2,000 subscribers today. That's actually crazy. That, I was so hyped. I was so hyped. I'm gonna give a shout out to my boy because it's actually a homie right here, right now. He's a 2,000 subscriber. If you already know what that means, it means we're dropping the giveaway video. We're gonna be dropping the details, and I'm really excited to do so. So that should be the next video or two. I'll keep you guys posted and updated about it because I gotta get the shit together and get everything I need. But other than that, I'm super excited, and I just want to give you guys a quick shout. That's all. Appreciate you guys, and I never thought I'd come this far in such a short amount of time. Just 1 year ago today, we were at 150 subscribers, bro. A year later, we're at 2,000, 150 something videos, and like 200,000 views. That's sick. That is sick. All right, rant over. Anyway, in today's video, obviously, if you watched yesterday's video, boink. I told you guys that I would be getting a mod in today. It's nothing crazy, but it's something that we're gonna see if it even makes a difference. We're gonna go pick up Cole. We're gonna be ripping my little brother and get him back in the vlog. I think he's kind of excited. Actually, he doesn't know I'm filming. We'll surprise him and then see what he says. And rip to my dad's, get it installed, have some fun, have a good time as always. And all right, I've already been talking too much. Let's go. I love this thing so much, bro. I'm really excited. I need to chill out a little bit. It's been such a long time coming, bro. Like, it was slow posting over the winter time, so everything slowed down a lot. And then for me to finally like hit 2K is so sick. And it's only up from here. We're gonna hit 10 by the end of the summer. I already know it. You already know it. Let's get it, bro. Let's go. Cole Ashline, back into the vlog. Let's boogie. Yeah, we're filming.
Oh yeah, thanks for telling me. I was
Huh?
just exposed myself.
Yeah. Cole Ashline, welcome back to the vlog, baby. How you been?
So this is like on YouTube right now, live.
Yeah, it's on YouTube live.
Okay.
Yo, was that kid talking shit? This thing spins so easily now, it's kind of scary. I was barely touching it. Oh my god! Bro, so unsafe.
Let's try this dragon fruit Fanta.
Yo, hit it for the boys, hit it for the boys. How was that?
It tastes like really good.
Well, it smells really fruity.
Allergies, not sick.
I don't want to catch your allergies. Cole Ashline is, he's getting to be a young man now, and he's thinking about what he'd like to purchase for his first car. And obviously it's going to be something that we're going to build on the channel, or maybe he starts his own channel with. So go ahead, spit your shit, boy. Well, what are you thinking about, yo, tell him about the thing? Oh, wow, that really hurt.
I'm thinking about a Dodge Durango.
That's actually so funny.
No, I'm
for
kidding.
real.
I'm thinking about a Scion FRS.
I think it's perfect, dude, because he doesn't know how to drive yet, bro. So it's a little bit of power, it's rear wheel drive, it looks fucking sick. By the way, the way it is, the mods are endless, and it's not too fast, so you can learn to drive and have fun. I think that's sick.
Yeah.
Vote down in the comments below. What would you like to see Cole have as a car? It's gonna be so sick. Think about that. Like, it's almost like a generation through YouTube. You know what I mean? Like my brother starts building a car on the channel, and then he starts his own channel. It's kind of sick. It's kind of cool. We have arrived at my Fasha's. Can I pull all the way up now? Am I cool enough?
No, just pull up.
What?
Just pull up.
In the mud?
Yeah.
F*** off.
Let's open up the box and see what we got, boy. Oh, shit, bro. Dirty engine bay, Doc? Let's open her up, see what we got.
Let's see what we got. From ECS Tuning, we received hang on. God. Safety first. Amazing grace. Really hit that note there. We got the Eurosport strut brace. This is rugged, dude. I'm hyped. Yeah, I kind of got this because we had to get the Catback grounding bolts, so we got those. And then I saw this. It was like that thing. They totally got me, bro. They put it in like the you might also like, and they put it in my cart. And I was like, yeah, I can't argue with that, you know. Just a little something to stiffen up the front. You know what I'm saying? Plus, it's supposed to be. It goes right on the plastic in the front, and you can bolt it right in. It comes with longer bolts, and we'll see what it do. Because there's no real way to test this other than for us to just go out and we're gonna rip it and see what it do. So you're supposed to be able to just go right to that, and the other one right under here, and then it should just sit right underneath the plastic and look nice and clean. We'll see if that's what happens. Got our hardware, some directions. Make sure you always put your knife right on the positive and the negative ground so it grounds out and electrocutes you. Hey, yo! Is that upside down, dog? Okay! Yo, I'm hyped. Super simple, and should be easy to put in. We'll see what it do. Alright, so online it says that it will go to the towers just like this, and it should, I think it's gonna sit under the plastic, but I'm not superly sure. It's also super easy to pull up. You just go right underneath these, pull that up, and the whole thing comes up, and then you just gotta go to your strut tower bolts that are right here that I'm assuming are probably like a 10 or a 13. This was actually the nicest directions I've ever seen for like an easy mod. That was actually sick. Let's go! Your bolts on top of the tower are gonna be 12s, I think, because that's what these are. These are your replacement ones, they're a little bit longer. So you're gonna need a 12 mil. Yeah, that's what it amounts to. Oh my god. Alright, so this goes. Yo, that's crazy. You literally don't even know it's there. I know, it's kind of sick. It's super sleeper, bro. You can't see it at all. It fits perfectly behind the plastic. Except that tasty looking ARM Motorsports Down Pipe shameless plug. Also, if you didn't see, it says torque these down to 22 foot-pounds. A young Kolash line working on the dub. We're almost done, boys. We're almost done. What was that, bro? Hey, go ahead, bud. You want to? How you feeling? You want to go ahead, right, and put that in there? Wow, good work. You already did it. I like the fact that you can't see it. I like that a lot, actually. That's cool. Do the DDE. Hit me with a. And we're on the road again. Let's let her warm up a little bit and give her the real testaroonie. So something super funny on the top hat, like where you screw in the bolts, the bottom nut is supposed to be welded on, I assume. So we had one come loose over there, and we had to fight with it for a while, and then we ended up breaking a bolt. You know, the typical Chris from Kenya problems where we break shit and then have to fix it later on. But we got it thanks to my dad. He had some good trickery, but she's all good. She's in. She's looking sick. It sounds so sick through here. We'll wait for this one car. I can't tell if it's a cop or not. It's not, we're good. Yo! stupid, and this, I'm really bad at telling it like these little things if it really does make a difference, but I drive this car every day, so I have a pretty good understanding of how it actually handles. It feels like, can't really tell. It feels like the turn-in is a little sharper, you know what I mean? That's what wow, that's actually interesting. That's what feels different to me, is like, it's kind of hard to explain, but when you're going into a turn and you get that first initial roll, and obviously I probably sound like a ding dong because it might be doing nothing, but in my head, like that feels different to me. Like this, like just that right there. That feels like it's biting super hard. Look at that, no roll. Ah, yeah. I like it. Very much so worth the purchase. Let's really see how well this handles. Right there is like I hit that a lot like that, so that's a good feel for me as a gauger. That felt good. She was sticking right in it too. Of course, I'm just working with what I have around me as roads and shit, so you know, I don't have a track that I can just run to, but. And we back, and we back, and we back. Oh yeah. As though the Subi is trying to acquire some of the sauce, which is hilarious because it's like an all track or something. So be it. Nobody else wants to go. It's been riding my ass for like a solid 10 minutes. Come on, champ. Where you at? What even, bro? Dude's been riding my ass for like 10 minutes. Then we get to the interstate. Nope, I'm not gonna pass him. Ah, I'm just trying to get some runs in, brother. Civic, all track, I don't care. Minivan. Nobody wants to build cars, so I might as well do something. Boys, this night is slowly and unfortunately coming to an end. I'll give one more attempt. I'll go up this way, maybe. Bros, as always, there wasn't anybody out. Unfortunately, stuff like that, content-wise, is hard for me to get around here, but you know you boys always put in the work. Trying to get back on the grind with the videos, you know what I'm saying? We're putting in work this summer and we're going to 10K, baby. Much love, homies. 2,000 subscribers. I never thought we'd make it. I just can't even thank you enough. And as always, go rip it for me. Have a good day. Just keep driving, keep it real, and your boy will catch you in the next one. I'm out.